It grows on trees and gently falls. In spring it's bright, in fall it's red, a cozy blanket for nature's bed. L is for lizard, quick and sly, crawling low or climbing high, with bright eyes and a tail to swing. A lizard's life is an adventurous thing. L is for lamp, lighting the way. It glows in the night and brightens the day with a gentle shine. It lights our space, a lamp brings warmth to every place.